What does it mean when someone lies during their divorce? My name is Matt. I'm a divorce attorney for almost 20 years. And as it relates to this question, the answer is it depends. I realize that that's the most lawyerly answer that oftentimes comes out of lawyers' mouths. It depends, but it so much does. If they are saying that they've only got one 401k and not two, that's a clear violation of the need to be transparent, to make a full disclosure of the marital estate. That's going to seriously piss off a judge if they continue with that, and extra attorney's fees and effort have to go into revealing that they're lying about that. If it's material to other facts in dispute, so maybe you're dealing with custody issues, asset division, maintenance claims, maybe there's the lies around income, which is probably 40% of all the lies that you ever get, maybe 60. That's all going to be relative. Also, if the lies make the process more difficult in regards to, I can't access any documents online, you're going to have to subpoena those from the company. And then it turns out that they had 3 years access, where they could download 3 years worth of statements online for free. That sort of thing is going to matter. But if they had some claim that when the parties are separating their finances, that on the particular day they opened post office box, and yet the real truth was that it was a week later after this other thing, or a week earlier before this one thing, that sort of thing. No, unless you could trace it back to a particular issue that's at hand, one of the things that the judge is going to have to decide upon, or it confounds the process in a material way, it's not going to matter. I mean, it may very well matter, but I wouldn't bank on it, and I wouldn't necessarily spend extra attorney's fees, effort, and lost sleep over it. The real discretion comes in is knowing when to take issue with the cheap, useless words of the opposing party, and when to just let it go, realize that talk has no value. And ultimately, at the end of the day, what really matters is the divorce decree, bank accounts, the money that you receive, the time for yourself, the time with your children, and what's best for them. If you like this, you want more insight into Minnesota family law, click, comment below.